Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan mid generals. How are you all doing? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling irie as we have another jam-packed pick a card reading for you today. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. We're going to be diving deep into our Blunt AF series. So get your tea, get your water as we explore the exact thoughts and feelings for you. Ooh la la. Hey. Water and tea. Tea sippers, water and tea. Tea sippers, water and tea. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Super. Yeah. So we have pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. Go to the number that's calling you as we explore Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you. Okay, so if you are new here, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up yourselves every time. To our subscribers, our intuitive tea sippers, our generals, big up, big up, hey, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. So go to that number that's calling you, okay? Either pile 1, pile 2, or pile 3. But we at Wagwan Tarot and Tea are very flexible around here, okay? So just, if you feel drawn to have a look at each pile, okay, pile 1, pile 2, or pile 3, just take what resonates and leave the rest for others, okay? And much love and welcome from Auntie T. So before, okay, I've got so much messages wanting to come out already, but before we coming out already, yeah, that want to come out, okay. Before we begin, we'd like to bring in some good gratitude energy into the mix, okay? So thank you, universe, thank you, spirit guides, thank you, guardian angels, thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive in today's reading, Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you. May the messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and use their discernment every time, because it's about empowering you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. There is a lot of messages wanting to come through. I can feel it. So we will see you on the other side with a nice cup of tea or a beverage of your choice. Ooh la la. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pile 1 and we're exploring Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now, okay? Or just their feelings for you, okay? So big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time, okay? If you are new here, and big up, big up, big up, big up every time to our tea sippers, our generals. So big up, big up, big up every time, okay? So, and much love and blessings from Auntie T, okay? So we're on pile 1 and we're exploring the messages that want to come through. Now, during the intro, the opening, there was a lot of saying what we needed to say for the intro, but there was a lot of messages trying to come through. Okay, so we're gonna let these messages flow, okay? So get nice and comfy. I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage of your choice or some water. I'm sipping on some peppermint tea, okay? Now, and also big up yourselves in the comments down below. Let us know which part of the world, okay? Where are you from? Big up to you all, okay? And much love and blessings. So we have I want you. 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 Now this has fallen on pile 1. 1, okay? in the tarot, in the numerology, there's the energy of new beginnings, new opportunities, reconciliation. Okay, there could be someone looking at from the past. Okay, this could be someone also who's new. So there could be a combination of different energies here. Someone who's new, someone's from the past. Okay, someone where maybe there's been an on and off situation going on here. This person is drawn to you. They want you in a physical manner. There could also be this like spiritual connection between the both of you, like between the two of you. Okay, the both of you, or like you may sense one another's energy. It could be very telepathic. Okay, it could also be there's an energy of sexual as well. Okay, but we've got to keep it clean and classy. Okay, for the algorithm. But there's this energy of someone's drawn to you. They like your style. They like the way you talk. There could be something very significant about the way you talk, that this person pays attention to the sounds in your voice. Okay, it sounds like if what's coming through, that maybe you and this person may have exchanged voice notes. Take the messages where it resonates, or there may have been some deep conversations, okay, between you and this person. They could also have been wishing to want to talk more with you. Okay, like it felt there's an energy of like I could sit in front of you all day and just look at you. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. But there's this energy of being drawn to you, attracted to you, wanting more. Okay, look at all of this energy that just came through from this one card. Now we're going to pull out the other cards that came out, okay, while shuffling. Okay, we have a playing card that came out, the Four of Clubs. Now the Four of Clubs is essentially the Four of Wands. Now the Four of Wands is 1, 1, 1, okay? It's like a mirror energy, and it's also like an energy of abundance, okay? Think of 1111, okay? So there's an energy of someone seeing you as like a equal. Someone wants an equal footing with you, okay? Now 4 also represents the energy of stability, security. So there's this energy of wanting with you, okay? Ooh la la. And as I look, I've just noticed a number. Look at that number. Can you see that number? Can you see that number? 2233. Okay, while recording. Okay, again, whether you see this now or later, the messages are always timeless. But even seeing the 22, the 33, while we talk about, you know, this energy of like wanting to come towards you. 2s are the energy of like soulmate energy. So there could be a soulmate energy here. Okay. In 3s are also the energy of growth, expansion. So this is kind of telling us, perhaps you could be seeing a lot of numbers at this time as well. There could be a lot of synchronicities, a lot of sign synchronicities going on in this connection. It could be even perhaps when, like let's say a message is sent or something is exchanged. Just notice the times, or you know, if where possible, or just have a look and go back to any phone calls or texts. That's the message that's coming through, and just notice if there's an angel number or like a occurring number that you just notice all the time, okay? But with 4 here being here, this is the energy of abundance energy. It's the 1111 energy with the 4 of clubs, the 4 of wands, okay, in the tarot. The message here is accomplishment, okay, achievement, attainment, success. So they want success in this connection. There's an energy of wanting success in this connection. There could also be this energy of like, can I achieve this with you? Can we get this together? Can we get ourselves together? Can you see me as somebody like a partner, a potential partner, someone that you desire, someone that is, this is an energy of like, this person has a very strong physical attraction towards you, but they're also wondering if you feel the same way about them, okay? Oi, 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 oi. Now, if you are new here and you hear oi, 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 it's just a way of how I connect with those intuitive downloads, okay? Oi is essentially like a Jamaican phrase, just like the wow, oh my gosh, OMG. So it's the equivalent to that, okay? But I like to do it in a singy way, okay? Auntie T likes to channel sing now and then, so whatever comes through, we just let those rhythms flow, okay? And if you know a lot about Jamaican culture, music has always been a way of how we connect, okay? Whether it's spiritually, whether it's enjoying life, not letting things worry you. Music has always been one of those powerful ways to connect, okay? So accomplishment, achievement, attainment, success, okay? Now we have I love you so much. So this person has a lot of feelings here, a lot of feelings, and they could be wondering how you feel, okay? They could be wondering if you feel this way about them. It could also be someone who has regrets that that they never said what they wanted to say. There could be something particular in maybe like a last conversation you had with them, or like a sense that you felt like they wanted to say more, okay? This could also be someone from the past, okay, who's looking back, reflecting, wishing, yearning, okay? But always trust your intuition, use your discernment, okay? If something don't feel right, trust and believe. Trust and believe it. We have our love is eternal. So it does feel like there is a strong past energy here as well, okay? My love for you is stronger than ever. So my love for you is stronger than ever. Look at that so far. Look at what we have. Do you see that already? This kind of like we said the 4 of clubs, the 4 of wands, is essentially like that 11-11. And even just by placing the cards, it was just saying, look, there's this energy of like wanting things to be like this between you both, okay? We have my beloved, okay? And we have, do you miss me the way I miss you? So someone is missing you here. Someone is drawn to your energy, wanting to, it does feel like they have you on their mind a lot. Okay, perhaps there may have been some engagement with this person, perhaps there may have been limited contact here. But this person does have this energy of wondering, do you feel the same way? Is it just all in my head? Am I being a bit delulu here? This is what's coming through. But do you see me the same way I see you? Are we on the same level like here? Okay. Now, what's also coming through is like someone might be thinking, oh, maybe it's all in my head. Maybe I'm out of their league. There could be an energy of self-sabotage, self-doubt coming through. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is use this moment to have a little refreshment, okay? Staying hydrated, because my mouth is kind of dry, child. It's kind of dry, so we need to hydrate, baby. Sip, baby. Let the energy flow. So we're gonna sip, okay? So let us know what you're sipping. Put it in the comments down below, okay? Sip, baby, okay? And cheers to all these intuitive gems that are about to flow. All right, let's sip, and we'll get the tarot out. Okay, so I've got the peppermint tea. Let us know what you are sipping on in the comments. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. And if you haven't done so already, please look at our community tab, where we have provided some suggestions of like upcoming videos that we would like to do for you. Okay, so please, if you can put your vote in, it will be greatly appreciated. Much love and blessings to you all. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Right, so back onto pile one. We're exploring Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings. We have a lot of messages here. Okay, so let's see what the tarot wants to add, okay, onto these messages for pile one. Blunt AF. We're using the Rider-Waite Smith tarot, and if you are an OG here, okay, whether you're new or an OG here, we like to use the Rider-Waite Smith deck, although we do use from time to time other decks, but we do like to use the Rider-Waite Smith deck in honor of Pamela Coleman Smith, who designed and illustrated the deck, okay, as well as honoring her Jamaican connections, okay. So this is why we like to use, ooh, look at that, we saw the Six of Pentacles. Keep that in mind. Six of Pentacles is the energy of, there's an energy of wanting things to be mirrored. Look what's behind it. Oy, 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 oy. There's an energy here of, I want something balanced with you. I want something where the two of us are on the same page. The two of us are in harmony. Six is the energy of harmony. Behind that is the Hierophant. The Hierophant is telling us there's someone here that wants abundance with you. They want this energy of long-term commitment, an energy of marriage, okay? Long-term commitment. We also get to see an inkling with the Four of Wands being here. This energy of accomplishment, achievement, attainment, success. Now, if this is somebody who's not currently in your life, it could be someone who's looking back who has regrets, because we have the Eight of Swords here. The Eight of Swords. We're taking this to tarot school now at Gwan Tarot and Tea. Okay. The Eight of Swords represents this energy, if you look carefully, someone who is not aligned with their mind, body, and spirit, okay? There's an energy of this person has blockages in their crown chakra, okay, around their heart chakra, their solar plexus chakra, their sacral chakra, their root chakra, that it's making them doubt themselves. Just like what we said earlier, there's this energy of like self-doubt, an energy of like self-sabotage. This is what is going on with the Eight of Swords. The energy of the Eight, okay? And this is how it's a really, just giving you some tips here, okay? For our darlings, our honeys, okay? Intuitive tea sippers, our generals. A great way to pick up the tarot is to learn the numbers. If you learn the numbers, it will help you to really pick it up quickly, okay? So think of the eights. Eights can represent an energy of action, can represent an energy of doing something, okay? Or a lack of doing something. In regards to the swords, it's a lack of doing something. The lack is not connecting with reason. When we say reason, is looking at like using your crown chakra, so your ability to think. What's going on could be that this person's overthinking. What could be going on is that this person's lacking in terms of using their reason, using their ability to connect with their self-awareness. What's going on around them? They could be doubting themselves. They could be judging themselves. Again, there was this energy about someone's like saying, or maybe you're out of my league, okay? So there could be this energy here. Now, again, as I talk, I looking again at the numbers. I'm going to show you again, okay? Just going to quickly show it to you. You can see that 22, 44. We have 22 and we have 44. So there could be an age difference. There could be a distance between you and this person. There could be an energy between you and this person that, like, there's a sense of wanting to come to you, but there could be some work that they need to do. Perhaps somebody is more stable than the other person. Perhaps there could be some financial situation going on here as well, okay? Because we have the Six of Pentacles that popped out. Now, the Six of Pentacles is the energy of, like, seeking harmony in whatever you do. Okay, whether it's monetary, whether it's something to do with ground, like an earth-like energy. So let's say it could be putting your finances in, getting your finances in order, treating people right, treating people fair, looking at your own reasoning and being more self-aware and thinking, am I doing right to the other person? Is this fair? Is there any power dynamics that I need to be mindful of here? Perhaps someone could be in a, again, better position. Maybe there could be an energy of someone is older or younger, maybe more experienced, lack experience. Okay, are we both investing in one another? Are we both investing in this connection? Okay. So going back to the Eight of Swords, okay, we're going to use the chakra colors just to help you to understand when we talk about the crown chakra. So the crown chakra, okay, at the top, okay, the head, the crown, okay, representing that thinking energy. Now, if you've seen the swords energy, the swords is all about thinking, okay, and it's also associated with the energy of the air sign. So think of the air sign as Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini. So perhaps this person could be a Gemini, a Libra, or Aquarius, or this energy is strong at this time. As what we see, what's going on is this person's thinking about you a lot, wondering if you miss them. Okay, there's an energy of wanting a deeper connection with you, and we can see that with the Six of Pentacles being here. Six of Pentacles is an earth energy, so think of Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, and we also saw strong Taurus energy with the Hierophant. The Hierophant is essentially a teacher. Okay, a teacher. Okay, regardless of what institution it is, you can have a teacher. Okay, now in terms of love, as we're looking at love, we're looking at the institution of love. Now the institution of love is all about love and marriage, long-term commitment, relationships, relationship counseling, relationship coaching. Essentially what we're doing here in this tarot read is kind of essentially relationship coaching, relationship self-love coaching. Okay, we're looking into the realm of that. Okay, I hope that's making sense. Okay, so it's essentially like learning so that you can then be able to then become a hierophant in your own life. Okay, but that first takes overcoming this energy. So we're going back. See, we're taking you to tarot school here. Okay, we're taking you to tarot school again at Gwan Tarot. Our energy is not to just read the cards, but to make you understand, make you overstand. All right? Okay. In Jamaican culture, we have this way of saying when it's not to just be understand something. It's to be understood. So to understood is to overstand it. Like you get it. You get it. Overstand. Okay. All right. So crown chakra, thinking energy. We see there's a blockage here going on there. This is also affecting, okay, we're going to use the same colors for the third eye, okay, located just between both eyes, okay, in the middle, like, okay, that's blocked as well, okay. Now what we see here is that there isn't anything blocking the throat chakra. There isn't anything really blocking the throat chakra if you look carefully. But because all of these other areas are blocked, so we have the root chakra representing the energy of like upbringing, inner child energy, how we were raised, what we were taught. It's all about like being like taught right from wrong. Really helping you to understand your own personality, and also like being around family, your friends, your peers, all those kind of things located here, okay, or like the back of the spine, the lower part of the spine, okay. Then we have the sacral chakra. This is the sexual energy, the sexual reproductive energy. It also represents the energy of creativity, Okay, things blossoming. Think of like what happens, what blossoms, okay, when the sperm meets the egg, all that, the conception, all these kind of things, okay? Then we have solar plexus, which represents the energy of the self-esteem, self-worth, self-confidence. Now we had the energy of self-doubt that came through earlier. This could be again what's telling us that this person may have some self-confidence issues, may have some self-doubt issues, okay, that may hinder them. This can also make them fearful to talk and express, okay, because there could be this energy that they're very conscious about what they say. They may be worried at this time of how they appear in front of you, okay, wanting to appear in a way that they have it together, and perhaps this person may not fully have it together, and that could be what is impacting them at this time, okay. And we also have the heart chakra. The heart chakra, your ability to give and receive love, okay, talk and express love. So the only one that's missing is the throat chakra, okay? In the blue color, throat chakra is missing. So with all of these areas being covered, it's impacting this person to express themselves. It's impacting this person to free themselves. But with the Hierophant being here, which is a major arcana, is telling us that perhaps this person has taken some time. Perhaps they have been looking at YouTube videos. It could be that they may be even looking at readings about you, trying to get an understanding, or seeking like dating advice or relationship coaching advice. It feels like this is what they could be doing to help them to look at ways of how they can be more comfortable when it comes to expressing their feelings. Now, what's coming through is that there could be something really deep with their root chakra that they may have not always been comfortable to express their feelings. Perhaps they may have been raised in a household where it was frowned upon to talk about feelings. Now, this has come through in a previous read, but there's like an energy of like children were seen but not to be heard, not to like have your voice celebrated. Now this may have impacted this person when it comes to talking about love, expressing love, being comfortable with showing it, displaying it. This may have now impacted this person, okay, being comfortable. Now if this person is fully able to do it, there is just an energy of needing to be confident in doing so, confident in showing and expressing love, okay? So, what we see though with the Four of Wands is that they do want to express love. They do want to give love. They just need to build that confidence, okay? Build that strength. And look what we have. Look at what we have. The Five of Cups. The Five of Cups is showing someone who's in mourning, okay? Someone who's looking at missed opportunities, perhaps opportunities that didn't go well, perhaps opportunities that maybe they thought it was an opportunity and it didn't result to an opportunity, and they're looking back, but they're in an energy of mourning. This can also represent an energy of loss, an energy, maybe a moment or a period of time in a stressful period, okay, grief, okay, an energy of depression, all those kind of things, okay, and an energy of sadness. But, even in these times, okay, we can then lack that awareness, not realize what's going on around us. And if you look clearly, what's going on is that there's two cups here. These two cups, okay, is a two of cups. Cups represent the energy of love. Cups represent the energy of expressing and receiving love, emotions, feelings, okay? This is telling us there's some water energy here. So water signs, Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces. So far we've seen water energy, swords energy with which is air, okay? So Libra, 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 Aquarius, and Gemini, and we've seen Earth energy with Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo, but we haven't seen any. We haven't seen in the tarot. We haven't seen in the tarot any fire signs, which is Aries, Sagittarius, and Leo, but we have seen it in the playing cards with the Four of Clubs, which is essentially the Four of Wands. So this could be any energy right now. Okay, this could be any energy right now. But in terms of how they're coming through in the fire energy, okay, if this person is a Leo, Sagittarius, or a Aries, there's an energy of wanting something stable, wanting something where, and perhaps there could be this kind of like a Leo aspect to their personality, or Aries energy where they want to be proud of something. There could be something that perhaps they could be people, they may have people in their life, or they might be peers that are in relationships, that are in connections, and they could be looking at that, or like grandparents, or there may have been some talk about grandparents having a desire of wanting to be in a stable union, okay? But with the Five of Cups, the Five of Cups is saying, and the Eight of Swords being here is telling us that there is this energy that they know that they need to let go of. They need to put this to bed because it has been hindering them, and this energy of wanting new, wanting to connect, wanting to express, okay? But again, it's like having to get past this, letting that water flow. There is, new opportunities under that bridge, okay? The song that's coming through is, I think it's Paul Simon. If you do know it, put it in the comments down below. Like, ooh, ooh. Let's retune, rewind. Like a bridge over troubled water. If you know it, please put it in the comments down below, okay? But there's this energy of like, let this pass, okay? Heal, okay? Because there is something good, okay? If you're watching this, there is something good that awaits you, but you've got to believe in it first. You've got to believe that you deserve it, okay? Let's pull out a Jamaican proverb for you, and I hope you've enjoyed that little tarot session, okay? So, Jamaican proverb, please, for pile 1. We have, if you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him by his shirt. So if you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him by his shirt. This is the energy of like being strategic, learning. If you haven't got something right, okay, this could represent the energy of being strategic. It can also represent the energy of like trying to get your own back, or trying to get your own way on something, okay. It can also represent the energy of revenge, but we're looking in love, okay. Now in regards to this is about being strategic. If you aren't good on something, or there's an area of improvement, look at this. So the Six of Cups is here, okay. We'll continue with the Jamaican proverb. So if you aren't, maybe perhaps, let's say if you haven't got something, there's an area in your life that you could say, I want to work on. It's about being strategic, right? Go and seek the people that can help you, whether it's a coach, whether it's a tarot reader, okay? Whether it's a counselor, whether it's a therapist, whether it's like I can watch some videos, perhaps I need to do some journaling and really face or address what's going on here. So let's say if we'll call you Jane, we'll call this person John, okay? John knows that there's this energy that has been kind of impacting him for a while. When it comes to, it feels like the energy, it feels like the energy is like this person wants more, but there are some blockages that they need to face. And it feels like they could have been fearful, they could have been like avoiding it, but recognizing that they may have been caught up in this pattern time and again, and it's like, I want change, I want new, so I know that I need to do something about it. If I want new, I need I need to get this new change. And it feels like you may have enlightened them, you may have awoken this kind of energy, this desire for change, okay? This fire in them, okay? To change. It could also be that they're seeking that groundedness from a hierophant, a teacher, to help elevate them, to help them to aspire, to believe that they can, okay, that they can achieve, that they can do this, that they can be successful in life, they can have a good relationship with their partner. There's this energy of wanting, desiring for growth, okay? If it's someone from the past, it's someone who's looking back and regretting any missed opportunities they had with you. Now we see, so far we've seen lots of numbers here, so it could be whether months, years with this person, okay? 6, 8, okay, 4, 3, okay? The numbers could vary, but or perhaps you may be seeing occurring numbers about this person. With the Six of Cups being here, this Six of Cups is telling us this could also be that you have a strong connection with this person. Perhaps you could be childhood lovers or childhood love interests, teenage love interests, a past love interest, someone who's very fond of you, okay? But again, perhaps you could be a water sign or they could be a water sign, because the Six of Cups is water energy. So again, think Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So there could be a lot of feelings, okay? A lot of nostalgic feelings as well here, okay? And perhaps they may go to this, perhaps they may use this to try and reconnect, or say you remember this, or there could be something significant about like outfits that you wore, things that they complimented you about. It could be things that you've laughed about, things that you've had in common with one another, okay? A deeper understanding for one another, okay? So let's have a look at, last but not least, we're going to just have a look and see what messages want to come through for pile 1. We're going to take another sip. Ooh, take another sip, child, of peppermint tea. Let us know what you're sipping on. Put it in the comments. Okay. And it'd be greatly appreciated. Just let me know that you've got to this far in the read. Okay, for pile 1, if you can just put for pile 1, okay, Six of Cups in the comments down below, okay? All right, big up yourselves, intuitive city sippers. Okay, reveal the messages pile 1 need to see. Blunt AF, that's it, Blunt AF. Reveal those messages that they need to see. Last shuffle. Ooh, we got some that has gone over. Okay, did say last shuffle. Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna quickly get those ones behind us. 1 second. There is a lot that this person wants to tell you, clearly. There's a lot here. Okay, thank you. Thank you, tea sippers, as we just picked up those cards. Now, this tells us that there's a lot, again, as we said, there's a lot of energy here. Okay, so especially when it comes to their feelings and expressing, we do see there's a lot of an energy of missing, because we do have, do you miss me the way I miss you? So do you miss me the way I miss you? Okay, so let's see what messages have come through. I love your mindset. You have taught me so many things. Look at this energy of the Hierophant. Perhaps you are the Hierophant in many ways. You are the Hierophant in many ways. They have learnt things from you. Perhaps you may have shown them a different way to think about feelings, expressing themselves, letting go of the past. There's a truth I've been hiding. I'm hoping you'll give me another chance. So they do want an energy, or the energy of reconciliation coming back together. I dream about what it would be like to be with you. So I dream about what it would be like to be with you. I'm sorry for any pain I've caused you. I'm sorry for any pain I've caused you. I miss you more than words can say. So I miss you more than words can say. I'm scared that I'll hurt you again. Again, it could be their own self-sabotage, and that's what has been getting in the way. They could be hurting themselves, and the byproduct is hurting you because of their self-sabotage energy, okay? Knowing that they need to go and do something about it. I've been flexing with my options, but I like you. But don't wait for me. You deserve better. I feel a strong connection, even if it's complicated. I regret missed opportunities to spend time with you, and instead I buried myself in my work. Okay? So perhaps this person may have used work, okay, to kind of hide from their feelings. I wish I had prioritized our connection more. I love seeing you walk. Oh my. Now this energy came earlier, okay, about, how they see you, that they could just look at you. Ooh la la. I regret that we no longer talk. I wish I could pick up that phone and tell you how I feel. I listened to bad advice from others who didn't have my back. Again, we mentioned about peers, okay? Things about their peers. And I didn't trust myself either, and now you're gone. Perhaps you could see it, they couldn't see it. Again, we have the Eight of Swords, disconnect with their own reasoning, their own self-awareness. I want to be more than just a casual connection. Ooh la la. I'm still hurt by what happened between us. I'm frustrated with how things are going. I worry that my feelings aren't reciprocated. My family/friends are making things difficult for us. So again, there could be, we do have the root chakra being here. So this could be telling us that perhaps there could be some boundary issues as well. Okay, maybe this person, it feels like it's in their actions or lack of actions of not maybe having clear boundaries with maybe peers or people around them. It's impacting the connection that the connection they have with you, quality time to spend with you, etc. Okay, I'm scared of committing, but I want to try with you. There are so many things I haven't said yet. What's your view on, look at this. It has come through. What's your view on marriage and starting a family? That is my aim in the near future. And I currently see 40 on the clock, which is all about, 4 being the energy of stability. Going back to the 4 of Wands or the 4 of Clubs in the playing cards deck, okay? Accomplishment, achievement, attainment, success. When it comes to that card, okay? Your energy has triggered a shift in me to believe I deserve love. So yes, your energy has impacted them. Your energy has made them see things differently, has made, perhaps sometimes in life, and this is a message for us all, intuitive T-sippers, if you are new here, if you're a general, if you're a T-sipper, and you get to, you from time to time, you get to see Auntie T's way of reading, her style, Auntie T's style of reading, is not just to read the cards, but it's to make you understand it. And it's also to help us to relate and apply it to our own lives, as well as helping us to trust our intuition, use our discernment. But it's also those intuitive gems that will come through that applies to us all. Okay, apply to us all. So in regards to you here, your energy has triggered a shift in me to believe I deserve love. If someone is just constantly around a negative energy, okay, and this negative energy could just be this energy of self-doubt. There's no one around to praise you, or let's say from a very young age, you're a child who's brought up in a household where you see a strong emotional neglect. No one is taking that time to say, well done, John. Well done, Jane. You've got this. I believe in you, John. I believe in you, Jane. As we get older, we can then, start to now think, well, I've never had this in my life. I've never had anybody that helps me to see things like that, or to, step up and tap into my own confidence, my own self-esteem, my own self-worth, and then be my own cheerleader. So, as we meet new people and we come across other people who may come from a different world, okay, different experience, different environment, look at that. The number has shown itself. 1111. 11 and 11, 23. So 23 o'clock, but it's 11:11. You may have seen it quickly before it's gone to 23:12. But again, that energy of that 4 of wands, 111, okay? It feels very much like coming across you, okay? Whether this is new or whether this is from the past, this has been a strong reflective energy for this person, because we've seen 6 of Pentacles and we've seen 6 of Cups. The 6 of Pentacles and the 6 of Cups, okay? We're seeing 2 sixes here. 6s, as we said, is the energy of harmony. There's been a need in the energy of harmony in their groundedness, in their ability to kind of really connect with earth, down to earth, okay? And their feelings, connecting with their feelings, okay? So, again, going back to what we were saying, by meeting other people, it's exposing your energy to different surroundings, different environments. You're seeing things differently, okay? It's essentially shifting you from having a wider outlook than a narrow outlook. So where this person may have been so used to maybe, it feels like this person may be in like having, there's an energy of bad habits, okay, or lack of routine, lack of discipline, and maybe going into a work environment, meeting somebody else, or just like meeting positive peers, okay, that can give that positive peer pressure. It's like, wow, like I needed this all along. Why, like I'm so thankful that I have this now, because it's helping me to improve my own critical thinking. It's making me to think differently, and look at the opportunities around me. It's helping me to prove my sense of confidence and everything like that. So this is what's the energy that's coming through, especially because we see accomplishment, achievement, attainment, success, the energy of 4, wanting this, believing that they can have this, okay, recognizing that they have to come out their own way, okay. I regret the way things ended between us. I'm sorry for not prioritizing you when I should have. Look at this. Not prioritizing you when I should have. Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest for others, okay? I'm not surprised if you placed me in the instant block and delete. Because what we see, there's this energy of like someone who's unsettled, someone who now is like wanting something, and this could have created a lot of frustration, energy of like this person's blocked, then maybe give this person a chance, or leaving the like you've blocked them but you haven't made them aware that they're blocked, or that the the phone line is now open, okay, that they're unblocked, okay. So there could have been this case of this energy going on here between you and this person. And we have, I want to travel the world with you. This is going back to what we were saying earlier, okay. Look, you see, it's all coming full circle. The energy of travel, the energy of the world is all about opening your mind, you know, unnarrowing yourself. If we've seen things one way, remember we have different cultures around the world, different languages around the world, different ways of doing things. Some better than some, okay? Some healthier than some. But it's about opening ourselves, especially when it comes to the love and our confidence and our attitude in life, and especially about believing in ourselves and being our biggest cheerleader. It's about tuning ourselves to reason with our body, our mind, and our spirit to believe that we can achieve anything that we put our mind to. You know, when we put it, especially with intention, we're not talking about badness. We're not dealing with badness here. Okay, we keep it real talk. We're not dealing with badness here. We're talking about good intentions, good mindset, good attitude. Tap into that energy, okay? Tap into that energy. And anything you want, you know, you can achieve it. Work on yourself, love on yourself. Take that time to prioritize yourself, you know, and you know you're saying, right, I see this, so I'm going into Jamaican speak, okay, and I'll explain it to you, okay? So Auntie T's tongue wants to come out, okay? Native tongue wants to come out. So when you see a daughter, when you see a daughter, you have to treat the daughter right. You have to, you know, we're speaking to you, John, directly now. We're speaking to you, John, directly. When you see someone that you like, go with intention. Go with intention and make them know it, you know, it's them that you want. Don't play no games. Don't play no stupid game. Because games don't work for nobody, you hear that? Games don't work for no one. The only game that works for is the way the house always wins. The casino always wins. So leave it alone. It's not for you. Alright, so just to explain what I was just saying, when I said daughter and all that kind of thing, it just means, you know, when you're interested in a lady, when you're interested in a love interest, hey, okay, you got to look after that, you know, look after that person, but make sure your intentions are clear. You know exactly what you want. Don't go with no intention to play games with people, because them games don't, in the end, the games will always fall not in your direction. You hear that? Don't be no game player. Go with intention and be real. Be straightforward. Let that person know what it is that you truly want. Then there is no if, no but, no 50-50. There's no confusion. Make it clear. Tap into that energy of groundedness. We see a lot of that energy here with the earth signs, the earth energy. Tap into that, and that will help you now to attract someone who is on that same wavelength, that wants the same things, even if they're still maybe not 100% there yet, okay? Perhaps it could be, you know, like working on themselves to get there, okay? So we're going to leave it here for you right now and leave you with one. Okay. The cards have just fallen, okay? The song that's coming through while the cards just fell is I Keep On Falling. Alicia Keys, I Keep On Falling. Okay, right, we're going to quickly pick up those cards for you. Yes, there is an energy of someone's like falling, because we're just getting a lot of falling cards today. For pile one, someone's falling. Maybe they're realizing, you know what, I need to get grounded. I need to connect and just say how I feel. Just be real. Just be real. Message for pile one. Message for pile one. But please take the messages that resonate, pile one. Any more for pile one? Last shuffle. Yes. Thank you. So pile one, I will take this as well. So part one, we have partying, time with friends, having fun, happy single, living in the moment. So again, living in the moment, being you, enjoying life can really help you to connect. Again, there's this energy of travel. Okay, beach, perhaps this could be maybe how you met this person. Okay, maybe it could be desire of what they want the two of you to be, like where they see themselves with you. Okay, we have backstabbing, backstabbing. We do have the Five of Cups here. Okay, behind the Five of Cups is the Ten of Wands. So this energy of wanting to release a burden, wanting to release a burden, heartbreak, pain, separation and loss. Okay, deception and loss, shocking attack. Now what's the message here is don't let that block you, because while you might be trying to protect yourself to say, oh, I don't want to get hurt again, guess what you're doing? Look what you're doing. I don't want to get hurt again. Right, love is coming, love is coming, love is coming. How is the love going to come? Because we've blocked ourselves. So we've blocked ourselves from allowing love to flow in. So we have to heal, send healing love, energy to those past hurt pains, so we are not blocking ourselves to allow love to come into our life. We have Cupid's arrow, because look at this. Have faith, love is coming, surprise invitation. Ooh la la, struck by love. We have addiction, so there could be addiction here, codependent, obsession and restraint, possession and control, emotional blocks. What we've seen so far is that emotional blocks, okay, that they may have become codependent to, okay, and having to release that. Right, the chaser, fear of abandonment, chasing, codependencies, okay. We have karmic relationship, and that could be why we're seeing so many numbers, lots of signs and synchronicities, resentments and triggers, perception, intensity and letting go, turmoil and fleeting. But take what resonates and leave the rest for others. We have healing heart. That's just what we said earlier. You've got to allow that healing energy to flow. Healing heartbreak, toxicity or addiction, abusive relationships. Okay, yeah, we don't have no time for that. You hear that? That's why we always say prioritize self-love and empowerment, because that's what makes you strong. That's what makes you, you believe in yourself, you love on yourself. Look at that mirror energy coming in through again. 23 collective, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest for others. We have coffee cup, so meeting, talking, savoring the moment, feeling elevated, building friendship, building that connection. Ooh la la. So we're going to leave you with some initials. Could be the name, a place, a thing, okay, a memory, a conversation. Take it where it resonates, okay? So messages for pile 1, blunt AF, the exact thoughts and feelings for you, blunt AF. Pile 1, messages for pile 1, blunt AF. Ooh, one has already come through. We have T. That one just literally just fell. It could be, maybe it could be something about them wanting to talk to you. Okay. Ooh la la. We have quite a few T's though, lots of T's. Look at that, 2 T's there as well. Wow. So we'll just flatten them so you can see them all. Again, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest for others. Okay. So look at that. That it could be an E. Okay, E wants to stay by itself over there. Okay, hope you can see them all. So again, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest for others. But thank you, tea sippers, our generals, people. Big up yourselves every time. Okay, to the empresses and the emperors, big up yourselves every time. Big up yourselves. So, again, take the messages that resonate, okay, and leave the rest for others, okay? And I hope you feel good, look good, stay blessed, keep sipping. And if you feel drawn to have a look at pile one, we said pile one, pile two, and pile three. Feel free to do so. Just take what resonates and leave the rest. Asoika. Asoika is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes. I saw it go. I saw it go. So we just take what resonates, okay? So we will see you hopefully on the next pile if you feel drawn to do so. But do have a look at all the reads in our Blunt AF series, as well as all the other timeless reads on Wagwan Tara and Tea. And big up yourselves every time. Much love and blessings from Auntie T. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we're on pile two and we're exploring Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you. So we're exploring their feelings for you, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. So if you are new here, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up yourselves. And to our intuitive tea sippers, our generals, hey, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. Big up, big up, big up to the intuitive tea sippers, big up to the generals, big up as we get these intuitive gems in the building. All right, let's get into it and see Wagwan for pile two. And I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage of your choice, some water, okay, some juice, some snacks. I'm sipping on some peppermint tea. So let us know in the comments what you are sipping on and which part of the world you're from. We'd love to engage with you all. So much love and blessings from Auntie T. Okay, so we have, are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? And this has fallen on pile two. This is the energy of, two is the energy of like intuition, the energy of like connecting with one's intuition, connecting with their senses, okay? That kind of intuitive sense, wondering if they are, if you are thinking about them. Now, this is telling us that they are thinking about you. You could also be maybe drawn into wondering about whether they're thinking about you, or perhaps you may have intuitively sensed this person's energy as well, okay? Perhaps it could be telepathic. They are sending you messages, okay? Perhaps from time to time you feel like you just can hear their name or hear their voice, okay? And it could be them like just putting out in the atmosphere, okay, to the universe, just saying, we'll call you Jane and this person John. I wish Jane could just hear me right now, just hear me call out her name or how I'm feeling right now. Like, Jane, I miss you. Jane, I hope you feel the same way. I hope, Jane, I hope you want more. I hope you want more. Okay? Ooh la la. Oi, 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 oi. Now, if you are new here and you hear oi, 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 it's just a way of how I connect with those intuitive downloads, okay? Woi is basically the equivalent. It's like a Jamaican phrase, but it's equivalent to like, oh my gosh, wow, okay, woi. But I'm doing it in a singy way, okay? So, if you ever go to Jamaica or decide to go on a holiday and you hear someone go, woi, woi, okay, don't worry, okay, woi, woi, don't worry. Okay, it can show excitement, many things, just like how OMG can be used, okay, but I like to do it in a singing way. So are you thinking about me? Okay, there's this energy of wondering How do you feel? Do you feel the same way too? Are you drawn to me? Are we seeing things the same, on the same wavelength? This could be someone from the past. This could be someone who's new. Okay, and you could be exchanging messages. Okay, okay. It could also be someone there where there's been some separation, but it's falling on pile 2. Okay, so there could be some kind of separation. Okay, and this person is wondering from time to time if you feel the same way. Okay, there's this energy of wanting, like, or hoping that it's not just them that is thinking about you. They hope that it's like a joint enterprise going on. Okay, so we are going to have a look at, no, we'll have a look actually with the cards that came out with this shuffle. Okay, and we also have a playing card. We have the energy of the 8 of Swords. Now, if you have come from pile 1, the energy of 8 of Swords was present in pile 1. 8 of Swords is the energy of like cloudiness, okay? Is the energy of like self-doubt. Is the energy of not being able to use your own reasoning, trust your own self, trust your own intuition, use your discernment to let that guide you. Now, what's going on here? If someone's saying, are you thinking about me? There's this energy of like someone's wondering, perhaps, should I even pursue this? Will it fall flat in my face? Will I be embarrassed? Okay, perhaps this person may, there's this energy of feeling like maybe they might not be into me. Maybe it's just me in my head. Maybe it's just, maybe it's been so long. Maybe I've left it for so long. Again, trust your intuition, use your discernment. Sometimes we don't always get a second chance, and this could be what this person's wondering, like, maybe I've left things so long and I didn't come forward, and I've missed out my opportunity here to come and talk to you, come and see how I truly feel. Okay, because we have the energy of dignity, self-esteem, self-respect, self-worth. So there could be a lot going on here with this person in terms of their own confidence, in terms of how they see themselves. Okay, so do have a look at pile 1 because it has come through for pile 2. Okay, just take what resonates and leave the rest for others. Okay, but there's this energy of, am I doing too much? Is it just me who feels this way? I'm drawn to Jane. I hope Jane feels the same way I do. Okay, I wish I said more. I wish I had my confidence. I wish I had the confidence to say how I truly feel. Okay, and 8, going back to that number actually, 8 is the energy of like doing, action, movement, travel. So there's an energy of like a slowness going on because it's fallen on with this playing cards 8 of Swords, and in the tarot the 8 of Swords representing the energy of like a lack of movement when it comes to their thinking, a lack of travel when it comes to their thinking. There's an energy of stillness, an energy being trapped by their own thinking. Okay, now the energy of the Swords represents the energy of air signs, so Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini. Okay, so this energy could be very strong at this time, or this energy of overthinking that is then resulting to an energy of procrastination, an energy of like a lack of making decisions. Perhaps this person may be a Libra. Okay, because what's coming through is like an energy of like, when it comes to decision making, it's a disconnect. So there could be some like strong Libra energy, okay, when it's now coming to making a choice, making a decision. This is maybe in an area for them that needs some work, okay, and it may have led to some frustration, okay, and resulting to wondering, are you thinking about me? Are you thinking? It's like, well, take some action here, okay. And we have, I dream about a future with you. I dream about a future with you. So they dream about a future with you. Our paths will always reunite. So if this is somebody who is not in your current energy, Okay, perhaps there's limited contact. There's like an energy or hope, desire that the two of you can come back together, talking, engaging with one another. Perhaps it could be, again, a soulmate energy, a twin flame soulmate energy here. Okay, we have, I need some more time before I can come to you. Okay, I need some more time. So perhaps this person needs to do some inner work, working on themselves. Okay, again, building that confidence, that self-esteem. Okay, because that confidence and self-esteem, if we lack in that area, that can really affect us in connecting with someone on a deeper level. Okay, we have time will tell. Time will tell if they can make, do that work to work on themselves. We have now is not the time. Okay, now is not the time. And we have don't pressure me. Don't pressure me. Okay, now perhaps this may have been some frustrations for some of you. You might have been dealing with somebody where, when it comes to making decisions, because that's what really comes through, don't pressure me. When it comes to making decisions, this could have been an area of frustration for some of you. Okay, now what's coming through is this could have been someone that you may have also been married to. Okay, or you may have been in some long-term relationship, or wanting them to make a decision, make a choice. Okay, and perhaps it may have also felt like you were forcing them, not that you were like trying to force, but it's ultimately you wanting to see where their true intentions lie. Okay, where their true intentions lie when it comes to you. Okay, so we're gonna take a nice sip. We're gonna use this to have a nice little sip. Okay, I'm sipping on some peppermint tea. Let us know what you are sipping on. Okay, put it in the comments down below. And if you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Let us know what you're sipping on. Okay, and also look at our community tab. Okay, the community posts. Okay, as we have, just if you can vote, please, kindly vote. We have got a list of videos options. Okay, and we'd just like to, just hear from our community what you would like to see next. Okay, so we'll hope to have that up soon and ready for you to access soon. So put it in the comments down below. It would be greatly appreciated. Right, let's sip. Cheers for the intuitive gems that are about to flow. Cheers. All right, so we have the tarot, and we're going to use the Rider-Waite-Smith. Okay, now let's see what messages want to come through for pile one. Messages for pile, sorry, rewind. But you know what, do you have a look at pile one? Do you have a look? That wasn't by accident. Do you have a look at pile one? Messages for pile two. Blunt AF, blunt AF. Messages for pile two. What do the collective need to see? Reveal those tarot cards that the collective need to see right now. Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for pile two. Okay, exact thoughts and feelings for pile two. We're looking at those feelings. We've got the moon card. The moon card reveals there's a lot of feelings that need to be let out. Okay, hidden feelings going on here with the moon cards. So you could be dealing with a water energy, okay, Pisces energy, a Cancer energy, a Scorpio energy, okay. Deep feelings here, okay. It's a water sign card. So a lot of deep feelings going on here. Okay. Deep feelings. Wanting to let them out. Say how they feel. Be honest with you. Okay. As we see, are you thinking about me? This could be what is playing up on their mind right now. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if there's still a chance between you two. Okay. There's this strong energy of like wanting to see if this connection can still be, the word rendered is coming through, if this can be amended, if this can if we can work things out. Okay, we'll have a look and see what is here. Look at that. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, 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 oi. We have the Two of Cups. So the Two of Cups, we've seen the Moon card, the Two of Cups, hoping, and behind that, what do we have? The Page of Cups. Perhaps this person with the Page of Cups being here, the Page of Cups is like showing a younger embodiment in, let's say, the human form. Okay, this person could be younger. This person perhaps maybe displaying, when it comes to their love, let's say in terms of how this person may compartmentalize life. When it comes to their work life, they could be very mature. When it comes to their love life, they could be very immature. But there's an energy of wanting to be able to give, wanting to be able to give you love, okay, help you to understand them, help you to understand how they may have operated when it comes to their feelings. The moon being here is telling us that there's been a lot of deep hidden feelings when it comes to being comfortable with expressing love and receiving love. Okay, again, there's an energy of confidence here because with the Page of Cups, the pages, okay, embody that younger energy. If you look carefully at what's going on here with the Page and their hand on their waist, there's an energy with their hand on their waist. This is the energy of the solar plexus, the energy here, this yellow, okay? This represents the energy of confidence, self-esteem. If you look carefully, it's come through in the playing card. So, this is telling us that they want to move forward with confidence and with self-esteem, but there's still an energy of like, it might, you know, I do feel a bit nervous about it, but I do want to come towards you. The fish here, we're taking this to tarot school at Gwan Tarot and Tea. The fish here is representing the energy of fertility. Fertility represents the energy of pregnancy. It can represent the energy of growth. It can represent the energy of expansion. The waters behind it is telling us that there is these feelings that are flowing and that are brewing, and they're hoping that they can develop these further. Okay, now if you are aware of the King of Cups in the tarot card, the King of Cups didn't become the King of Cups just so. Okay, great. Okay, the King of Cups didn't just come so. The King of Cups had to go through a period of loving on themselves, being vulnerable, being secure in that vulnerability to express and exchange exchange their feelings with somebody else, talk with somebody else, and receive that love. Okay, this is the Page of Cups in this direction, wanting to get there, to be able to do this, step in this confidence. If you look carefully what's going on, we have this figure here where their feet are grounded, but they is quite close together. And then you have this figure here where their feet is slightly off the ground. One foot is slightly off the ground. Okay, there's an energy of like, look, we are exchanging our heart chakra energy with one another. Okay, our feelings with one another. Okay, if you look and you can see, and we can also have we also have a good giveaway with the green apron here. Okay, that's the apron of being transparent with love. Okay, and here going on with it, here we have a lot of yellow and sacral. So yellow, the solar plexus, confidence, self-esteem, and we have a lot of the sacral chakra, okay, which is like the sexual reproductive energy, growth, expansion, creativity, but it's kind of saying like, right, to take on that leadership energy. So it's kind of the divine masculine meets the divine feminine, being confident with both energies, okay, being able to take the lead as well as be comfortable in expressing your emotions, your feelings, being in control of them, regulating them, connecting with the divine energy, okay, reasoning, trusting yourself, using your discernment, okay, working on your self-love, your self-worth, so that you can move. Eight represents the energy of movement, travel, okay, direction, okay, doing, so you can come forward and you look what's going on, exchanging your cup, putting it there, and this one will put it into theirs, so that they are both sharing with one another. Okay, you see it? You see it? Great, wonderful, wonderful. I hope this is making sense. I hope this is making sense. Okay, so they know that this is the energy that needs to come forward. Okay, I'm gonna have a quick look at what's behind the moon. We have another major arcana. We have the magician. The magician. Okay, so with that, with this being here, the magician is telling us like we all have that ability to be the magician in our lives. The magician is manifesting energy. If you believe, okay, if you put your mind and your feelings together, you will attract. You will attract. Now, if you if you work on yourself and stay positive in your outlook in life, what it is that you want for yourself, how you talk to yourself, okay? Just for example, if we talk to ourselves in a negative light, okay, and we combine our feelings with that, guess what? We've attracted, but we're not attracting what we want. We're attracting more of what we don't want. So if we say something like, oh, why does this all, and it's like the sigh and everything, it's like you're bringing all this energy at, why does this happen to me all the time? Why is this always, oh, I should have known, why did I expect this always happens to me? Just tell yourself, delete. Don't let that energy come into your subconscious. Don't let that connect with your heart chakra. Don't let that now impact your belief system, your feeling system. Because when they connect together, it creates this deep moon energy, hidden feeling energy, that then it's like, right, you're attracting that. So now even if there is somebody that comes your way that likes you, they like you, they're feeling you, you now tap into the Page of Cups because you don't feel confident in yourself. Okay, now remember, we're in our adult form here. If you're watching this, I'm assuming we're all in our adult form, okay? And again, if you're watching, it's not really for children, okay? We're talking about adult form. We're looking in, but we also explore the inner child here. But if this is like what's going on, talking badly about yourself, again, we can compartmentalize in our day-to-day life, in our adult life. We've got it together. We can, go to work, get a job, be intentional with our day, with what we're doing, where we're going. But when it comes to our feelings, when it comes to showing that vulnerability, we may result into this Page of Cups energy where we're showing a lack of maturity. We may be showing a lack of development in that area. That can then result to an uncomfortability in expressing, saying how we truly feel when we do meet someone of interest. I hope that's making sense. So, whatever we do, be, confident, and this takes time. That confidence, that self-love, that self-worth takes time. It's a day-to-day. Start a 30-day habit, okay? This is a message for us all, intuitive tea sippers. Take 30-day habit or a routine where you're saying, right, I'm going to journal. I'm going to say that, I love myself. I love everything about me, and I welcome that love to come into my life. I love the fact that I'm comfortable with myself in my skin. I love my nakedness, my transparency. I love who I am from head to toe, and I welcome love, and embrace love that to come to me that reflects high vibrational love, love of truth, love of transparency. Okay, say all these things. Even you can even pick up a card, a positive card, or a card that brings that positive reinforcement of love. Let's say the Two of Cups, okay? Or you could use the Magician and just look at the cards and just say, I embrace a love that is real, that is transparent, where it feels like going on a fair ride of joy and excitement, and there's always something to learn, or exciting. It's like whatever it is that you wish to bring into fruition. Okay, whatever you wish to bring into fruition. Okay, just you mention it. Look what's behind it, the sun. So it could be wanting to embrace a connection, and look what's here as well. I've just recognized the moon and the sun is a duo. The moon and the sun. The moon representing the divine feminine energy, the sun representing the divine masculine energy. So there is, especially with this coming out together in and two major arcanas, okay, okay, which are essentially like two balancing energies, okay, with one another, and the Two of Cups. This person is a soulmate energy. This person could be also a twin flame soulmate energy. This could also be somebody where there is a lot of growth between the two of you. Perhaps you both have to do your growth in separate ways, okay, and then to be able to come back together and then express your love for one another, because we still have this energy of like lack of maturity, or a younger maturity energy when it comes to expressing love, being comfortable in love, and in the embodiment of their own self-love, okay? But with the magician being here, is telling us, just be intentional, be clear with what it is that you want so it can come, okay? As the message here, as above, so below. It's about whatever you want, let it come so it can come, and you can see it in your day-to-day life. Okay, but first you've got to be clear. You've got to use all the skill set, your toolbox that you have now. If you're seeing this now, you have the swords energy. You have the ability to think. You have that ability to have that self-awareness around you with the pentacles energy. Stay grounded, that earth energy. Stay grounded, connected. Really focus on what is it that moves you, what moves and grooves you, is what we would like to say here at Gwan Tarot. What moves and grooves you, what connects to your spirit, what drives you, what's your motivation, what aspires you. Okay, the cups again, the feelings. How connected are you when it comes to your feelings? Regulating your feelings, trusting yourself, using your discernment, letting that guide you. The wands representing that energy of movement, action. Okay, taking travel. How confident, how willing are you to take movement? Make a move. Go with intention. Now that you've got all of those things and you combined your thoughts and your feelings together, you're manifesting. You are manifesting. So be clear with what it is that you want to manifest. Wherever it is now, taking that time to let go of things that are not serving you. Don't let them hold you back. So then now the sun now can do its work and illuminate things. Okay? Now what I saw is, if we see the Three of Swords, and there's this energy of like, look, let go of this. Let go. The sun can then, illuminate its action, its energy on just letting go of things that are not serving you. Okay, let's have a quick look. Look at that. The Three of Cups here. The Three of Cups here is collaboration, joy, working together. It can also represent the energy of, in this position, that maybe there are things around you that you need to let go of that's not serving you, okay? Maybe it's like not dwelling on the past that, that may have hindered you, but this can open new beginnings. Now, what I can see here is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, if you're seeing this, this is telling us could be a good sign. The messages are timeless, but they could be saying, clear out, clear out any past, any past experiences that may have held you back. Just go with, right, look at this, with the infinity sign, endless opportunities. But first you have to believe in yourself. Okay, this is a message for us all, but take it where it resonates and leave the rest. Okay, now I'm just gonna have a quick intuitive pull. We have the Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands. Now the Knight of Wands is saying, yes, go with like heed, like take action. Don't feel no way. Now you see, now it's starting to gradually move up a bit with the Knight of Wands. So it's stepping up in age, it's stepping up in maturity. Again, a lot of that yellow energy is representing the solar plexus, confidence, self-esteem. That's going to help you to feel more confident now when you become comfortable with your feelings and expressing how you feel. So that when the Two of Cups come your way, okay, the song that's coming through. Shawty swing my way. Sure look good to me. How would it be my way? When that person comes and swings your way, you're not gonna feel no way about it. You're gonna feel comfortable. Just, hi, yeah. Oh, what's your name? Nice to meet you. Okay. So what are you looking for? Like, what's your intention? And if someone's like thrown off by, well, what do you mean? What my attention? I just want to see where it goes and blah blah blah. The Hangman, you can trust yourself. We've got a lot of major arcanas coming through for this read. Hangman, trust yourself. Trust yourself. Look at things differently. Open your mind, your horizons to see things differently. Okay. Now this feels like we're talking to this person and we're talking to you and we're talking as a collective. But essentially it's like you will know when this person is the one. You will know when this person is, or you will know when the situation is right for you. Once you are connected with your intentions, your actions, your feelings, you trust yourself, you trust your intuition. Okay? And you are in like that, in strong intuitive senses here. Okay? Especially with this two, really connecting with your decision making, your reasoning. Okay? So we're going to pull out a Jamaican proverb, and then we are going to go to the last part of our read and see what messages they want you to know right now. Okay, as part of this blunt AF. Feels like one's trying to come through, but we'll just see if it wants to. Let's see, something else is trying to come through. We'll take this one. We have the John Crow. The John Crow, so the crow bird, never makes a house until rain come. Never makes a house until rain come. Okay, the John Crow, okay, it's how it's pronounced in Jamaican patois. Okay, never makes a house till rain come. Now this is the energy about seeking stability, seeking security. And now if you can quickly look, we have 4 on the clock. 4 on the clock represents security, safety, okay, stability. Now, as the Jamaican proverb that comes out, okay, and I think the one that did come out before was a beggar. What I saw was like a beggar. If a beggar begs from another beggar, they will never get rich. Meaning that if you are seeking advice, seeking knowledge, or not taking the time to go and learn, and then you go and pick up things from somebody else that is also lacking, the two of you are both lacking. Okay? So this is about, again, take that time to go and work on yourself. Go and love on yourself. Recognize what you want. Recognize what you need. Okay, this is where we're, as blunt AF as we can be, recognize what you need so that when that love comes to you, you're not going to be confused. You're not going to be like, in this Eight of Swords energy, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to handle it. So I'm going to hide. I'm going to ghost. I'm going to get clear. Get with the program. Get with the program, bro. Get with the program, sis. Get with the program. Can we have comments? Can we put it in the comments down below? Get with the program. Get with the program. Get with the program, bro. Get with the program, sis. Put it in the comments down below. It would be greatly appreciated. But get with the program. Know thyself. Love on thyself. Be real with thyself. Reason with thyself. Trust your intuition. Use your discernment. Let that empower you and let that guide you. So when a connection comes your way, you're not going to be running. You're not going to be this runner chase. You run, then you hope that person is chasing you. Then that person gets into that chase mode and then you stop running. No, we don't chase. We attract. You hear that? We don't chase. We attract. Just like that manifesting energy with the magician. It's not about chasing it. It's about attracting it. Putting those bricks in place to build that foundation. Okay? So you can save and invest for a rainy day. Essentially, investing in a connection. You've got to allow yourself to be open to that connection. Okay? So 2, representing the energy of alignment. So be in alignment to what it is that you want and you need. Okay? All right. So let's pull out some messages from this person. We're going to use the blunt AF and see what messages want to come out. Okay? As the last part of the read. So reveal the messages the collective need to see. I'm going to take a quick sip. Okay? Quick sip of some peppermint tea. So sip, sip, baby. And cheers to these intuitive gems. All right, blunt AF, pile 2. Reveal the messages they need to see, blunt AF. Ooh, we have one already. Okay. If we feel intuitively drawn to sing, we will sing. But we'll just say blunt AF, pile 2, blunt AF, pile 2. Reveal those messages you need to see. Reveal those messages. Ooh. Last shuffle. Last shuffle. We'll take that. Thank you. Alright. So we've got quite a few messages here. Collective. We've got could we try again? Could we try again? So, my phone is filled with unsent texts meant for you. So, my phone is filled with unsent texts meant for you. The silence is a lot for me. It's a lot for me. And this could be why we're seeing this strong energy, okay, of the moon. Wondering, are you thinking about me? What's going on here? Okay. You are my type. You are my type. Ooh, you are my type, babe. You are my type, babe. You are my type, baby. You are my type, yeah. Type, yeah. You are my type. Ooh, you are my type. I've never met anyone like you before. Ooh, wee. I am visualizing being with you despite the distance. Despite the distance. Perhaps that's why we see this King of the Knight of Wands. They want to come towards you. Look what's behind the Knight of Wands. That justice energy. Okay? The justice energy also has those scales. Knowing that they have to, do and make sure things are in balance. Be in alignment with what it is they want and need. so that it can come into fruition. Behind that, it looks like it's also the Temperance card. So the Temperance card, look at this. There's a strong energy of 2, 2, 2. So perhaps you might be seeing 22, 22. Look at that, 22, 22, the two scales here. And we have the Two of Cups here. So you might be seeing 2, 2, 2, 22, 22. A mirror energy going on. If you did come from pile 1, okay, take this message as well. As there's a lot of major arcanas going on in this read, which is telling us that there is a spiritual connection here with the Temperance being here, and also this need of a healing connection, okay, going on. We also have the Five of Cups, which was also present in pile 1. And if you look carefully, what do we see? Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? We've got the Two of Cups again. Two of Cups. So an energy of regret, an energy of hoping and wishing that the two of you can see see things on the same level. Perhaps this person knows that they have to work and let go of things. We see the Three of Cups here, and we did see the Three of Cups earlier. This energy of like looking at past regrets, missed opportunities. It's like, right, we can't be crying over spilt milk again. Okay, it's done. It's done. Focus on what's behind you. Look at that. Get things in alignment with the Justice card, and the Temperance. The Temperance and the Justice card are very similar energies. Okay, but the Temperance is also saying, right, connect with that healing energy. Connect. Put things right. This will help to put things right. All right, and look at that sun to illuminate. Embrace the energy. Embrace it. I'm visualizing being with you despite the distance. So that Magician card coming in fruition, manifesting. Okay, but you've got to be clear with what it is that you want to attract. If we are still doubting ourselves, if we are still questioning ourselves, if we are still thinking some type of way that is working against us, not aligned with what we truly want and need, we are going to constantly keep being imbalanced with what it is that we truly want in our lives, okay? Our differences are wild. I hope we can get through them. Social media makes this complicated, as this is all I have right now to connect. This is all I have right now. So perhaps this person has you on their social media, or they could be keeping tabs on you, okay? Seeing what's going on. Still trying to find that confidence to come towards you. It could be also maybe mutual friends, mutual connections. It feels like there could also be, because we saw the Three of Cups and we saw the Five of Cups with the Three of Cups here, and we also saw the Three of Cups in the reverse position. There could be also some kind of energy going on with maybe people in their circle that perhaps you may have noticed that you didn't particularly like, okay? Perhaps this person, and now they're seeing it. Perhaps it may have been, there could be some family or friends, okay, or some kind of associates, people around them that maybe they had received some bad advice, or this person may have had their own agendas against this connection. Take it where it resonates and leave the rest for others. When I am alone, I try to act out what I would say to speak to you and gain your interests. What do you think of a white picket fence? What do you think of a white picket fence? Ooh la la. I want to make a move, but I'm scared. I want to make a move, but I'm scared. Could we try again? So this energy of hoping that maybe there could be an option between you two to develop, grow. Like what we saw, the fish in the Page of Cups. Things becoming, more fertile ground. Things blossoming. You are always on my mind. I learned a lot from our time together. It has changed me for the better. So it's changing me for the better. This could be why we're seeing the Hangman, the Temperance, okay, the Justice card, okay, the Magician. I sit back and reflect on the things you said. So this energy is coming through. I sit back and reflect on the things you said and realize you saw things in me that I didn't see, but I see now. I see now. I can't help but be drawn to you. I can't help but be drawn to you. You are still on my mind. You are still on my mind. Look at the moon to tell you what's going on. You are still on my mind. This person may stay up late at night. They may have you in their late night thoughts. What's coming through? We have to keep it clean and classy. Okay, keep it clean and classy. Let your mind do the pondering and the wondering. But this person may, get up to all sorts. Okay, pleasuring themselves and things like that. But then go into this energy of like, oh, but you're not here. You're not here. Take it where it resonates and leave the rest. Yeah, I'm feeling jealous right now. I'm feeling jealous right now. I want to talk about our future, and I hope you can see us together in the future. So I hope you can see us together in the future. I really feel for you, and I wonder if you sense it. Look at this. Look at this. I please myself when I'm alone, thinking of you and calling your name. Calling your name. I'm thinking about you and the things you do. Calling your name. Ooh-wee, someone's calling your name. Someone is calling your name. So we're going to leave you with a travel imagery. And let's see what travel imagery wants to come up for pile 2. So blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for pile 2. Their exact thoughts and feelings, blunt AF for pile 2. Pile 2, let that energy come through for pile 2. Messages for pile 2, yeah. Ooh, okay, we got some messages. Message. Okay, if anyone knows that, where that's come from, put it in the comments down below. Right. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Definitely 2 of Cups energy going on here. Hoping, wishing, yearning, hoping that the 2 of you can come together on a high vibration, connecting, talking, exchange, okay? Talking. 2 of Cups. Look at that energy together. Hoping that the 2 of you can be like this. And let's see what's behind this one. Look at that. This is the energy of hoping that the 2 of you can come together. Look at that. The car driving together. Okay. Now, if we look carefully, it looks like it could be, if you know that flag, is it Cuba? Could be somewhere tropical. Okay. Wanting to be somewhere tropical, move. Okay. Like the energy of the movement, travel. Hoping that the 2 of you can come and move, travel to one another, to wherever you both are. It could be again the energy of like talking, expressing, saying how you truly feel for one another. Okay, look at that. What a great way to end this read. What a great way to end this read. Okay, hoping that the 2 of you can come together. Okay, look at that. So we're going to leave you with some initials regarding this person. Take what resonates and leave the rest. That's so it go. That's so it goes. Jamaican Pat 1, it simply means this is how it goes. And this is how it goes. We just take what resonates and leave the rest. So, blunt AF for pile 2, blunt AF for pile 2. The exact thoughts and feelings for you. The exact thoughts and feelings for you. Hey, the exact thoughts and feelings for you. Hey, 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 hey. Now, I don't know why it's coming through. Okay, it could be because we saw the Cuba, or, you know, if it is Cuba, let us know. Okay. But it looks like it's a Latin American country here, okay? But what's coming through is someone going, ay papi. Perhaps someone has said, ay papi, okay? Okay, we'll keep it clean and classy, okay? But it's something to do with calling someone's name. Now, John, if we're going to call you Jane and call this person John, if you want to put a message in the comments, feel free. Perhaps your person may see it if you feel comfortable. Okay, trust your intuition and use your discernment and leave the rest. Okay, for others. So look at all of these. Can you see them all? There's one there. Q. Have you not noticed any patterns in the initials? Let us know. Put it in the comments down below. Okay. Look at all these initials that have come through. It could be a name, a place, a memory. Something that maybe the two of you both know. Something on social media is coming through. Take it where it resonates. Or if there was some third party, because we did see the Three of Cups coming through, there could be some kind of third party energy. Okay, the initial could maybe have something to do with that. So take it where it resonates and leave the rest. But big up yourselves every time. Thank you for being here. It is greatly appreciated. We love you all. We love you all, you know. We love Uno. We love Uno. Uno simply means in Jamaican Patois, all of you. We love all of you. So thank you for being here. And big up yourselves every time. If you feel drawn to have a look at Pile 1, feel free to do so. If you feel drawn to have a look at Pile 3, feel free to do so. Okay, but big up yourselves. And look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping. And we'll see you on the next one. Do have a look at all of our timeless reads. Okay, and big up yourselves. Gwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we're on pile 3 and we're exploring those juicy intuitive gems that want to come through as part of Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you. So if you are new here, big up every time. And to our intuitive tea sippers, our generals, big up, hey, big up, hey, big up. Big up, much love and blessings from Auntie T. So we're exploring those juicy intuitive gems that want to come for you. So let's see Wagwan. Wagwan in Jamaican Patois simply means what is going on. That's what we're doing today. We're going to see Wagwan. Okay, we have the message, I miss you. Now, the police is coming through. Sting, okay. Every step you take, every move I make, I'll be watching you. Now, it could be that this is coming through because somebody is looking at your social media. They could be trying to see if there is a potential for the two of you to come back together. It feels like there's an energy of someone wants this connection to come into fruition. Okay, 3 does represent the energy of growth and expansion. So they could want this to come into some energy of growth. Okay, now this could be someone from the past, it could be someone who's new. So take it where it resonates, okay? There could have also been an on and off energy between you and this person, okay? Now, as we go and explore in the reads, okay, if you hear oi, 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 it's just a way of how I connect with those downloads that come through. Okay, now "woy" is essentially, is like in Jamaican patois, like wow, OMG. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, OMG. Now I like to use it in when coming, like connecting with those intuitive gems that want to come through. Just basically saying, oh my gosh, whoa, wow. Okay. So I miss you. Someone here who has feelings of regret, feelings of remorse, wishing that they could have. There's an energy of wish I coulda, shoulda. Okay. There could also be an energy of someone playing silly, being silly, and now winning silly prizes. There could be an energy of stubbornness, and now this person's realizing that the stubbornness was also hurting them. It was working against them. Okay, perhaps there could have been a chaser, runner energy going on between you and this person. Someone's like coming to a realization. There could be like a maturity thing here. There could be an age difference between you and this person. There could also be some distance. Okay, wanting to move forward and telling you how they truly feel with confidence, with letting go of those blockages. Okay. So we're going to pull out this deck and see what messages want to come through for the collective. For pile 3, Blunt AF, Blunt AF, Blunt AF, the exact thoughts and feelings for you. Let's see what wants to come through. Reveal the messages the collective need to see right now in regards to this connection, in regards to this person. It could be the person on their mind. It could be the person that, maybe it could be someone from the past, someone from their currents. Any more messages for the collective? Last shuffle. Thank you. Okay. Sometimes it always amazes me when you see the cards just... Okay. Everybody has their own style. Okay. If you like to, float, like read cards for yourself. Okay, you might want to do the shuffle, okay, where they just fly out. You may want to just do the pull. It's up to you, or lay them out like that and then pull. Okay, it's up to you. But if you do, let us know. Put in the comments down below if you noticed any pattern or any style, how the cards like to communicate with you. Okay, let us know in the comments. And let us know what you are sipping on, which part of the world you are from. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Okay? We'd love to hear from you. So we have, I fell in love with you the moment we connected. So I fell in love with you the moment we connected. We are a perfect match made in heaven. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Only you can see through me. So only you can see through me. Okay. So only you can see through me. We have, I know one day we will find our way back to each other. So I'll know one day we will find our way back to each other. So they're really hoping that the two of you can come back into fruition with one another. I can feel that strong bond we share on a soul level. So I can feel that strong bond we share on a soul level. Okay? I want to reach out to you. I want to reach out to you. Okay? There's a song coming through, Maxi Priest. Okay? We channel a lot of reggae songs here. Okay? The song is I want to close to you. Let's do a bit of just warming up that voice. I just wanna be close to you and do all the things you want me to. I just wanna be close to you and show you the things I like. Show you the things I like, I think, or show you the things I... Okay, I'm in love. If you do have a look at the lyrics in Maxi Priest, Close to You, or I Just Want to Be Close to You, or Close to You. I think it's Close to You. Okay. I will be there by your side when you are ready. So I'll be there by your side when you are ready. Okay, when you are ready. Could be a case of, you know, both working on one, like you're both working on your own like things at the time. Perhaps there could have been a separation. You are my light in the darkest times. Okay, and we have my emotions for you are still there. So my emotions for you are still there. My emotions for you are still there. And we can see that because one of the key cards that came through, I miss you. I miss you. Okay? I miss you. Now I can currently see on the clock 0044. Okay, let's just change to 45. But fours represents the energy of stability. It represents the energy of security. It represents the energy of safety. Now, it could be that this person's looking back. There could be a nostalgia, okay, of wanting things to go back the way they used to be, or it could be the energy of like missing your energy and realizing the error in their ways, the mistake. Okay, now I feel drawn to pull a box that I haven't seen for a while. If I know where it is, it's the love box. I'm looking for the love box, but if I can't find the love box, yes, I'm just having a look, scanning around around my decks to see where the love box is. So, right, if I can't, it's right in front of me. I'm looking at it, it's right in front of me, and I was like, where is it? And then I was like, oh, there it is, right, this is it. This is what we haven't used this for a while. If the OGs are here, the generals, those tea sipper generals, you would recognize this box. But this box has a lot of messages in it, a lot of key messages. And, you know, we had like some other decks around us, but this is what we're saying. Go to this love box and it will help us to, you know, see what wants to come through. Okay. So you can channel with me. Blunt AF, Blunt AF, Blunt AF. Reveal the messages the collective need to see for the Blunt AF pile 3. Blunt AF pile 3. Okay, reveal the messages they need to see. We only need a couple, but just reveal the messages they need to see. Thank you, thank you. We open the love box and see what wants to come through for pile 3. Pile 3. Just do a little shuffle, let that energy flow in there. Okay. Oh yeah, they're already coming out. Any more? Any more? Last shuffle, last shuffle. Thank you. Okay, so put that here. We have quite a few that has come through for the collective. Actually, before we begin, we're going to pull out the Jamaican Proverbs and the Tarot. Let's pull them out first. So message from the Tarot, please. Message from the Tarot for Blunt AF Power 3, Blunt AF Power 3, Blunt AF Power 3, Blunt AF Power 3. Reveal the messages they need to see. Now we're shuffling, but we have the devil here. The devil could be telling us that there is regrets here. There could be some procrastination. There could be energy of a addiction here. There could be some energy of codependencies here. There could be an energies of lack in self-worth, confidence that can then result into making poor decision making, like poor decisions. Okay, and look what we have. The Nine of Cups in the reverse, which is the self-love card and the empowerment card. Okay, but it's in this position, which is telling us that there could have been a lack of making poor decisions, especially with the Ace of Swords being here. Ace of Swords is the energy of clarity, okay, being able to see things clearly. But what we have is someone stuck in their emotions, stuck in their feelings, dwelling. There could be some self-deprecating thoughts, like saying I'm not good enough, I'm not this, I'm not that. I'm going to say, okay, if it's you who's doing this, if it's this person, just tell yourself, delete, delete, delete. I welcome thoughts that empower me, that strengthen me, that heal me. Okay? Tell yourself this. Because if we get caught up in this whole like energy, and this could be why we saw the devil cards here, you know, it can then put us in these cycles and patterns of things that we don't want, and we keep attracting more of what we want or what we don't want. So in order to attract what we do want, we need to get our mind right, to get our mind clear, stabilize how we think and we feel, okay, build on our confidence, our self-worth, our self-image, okay, so that we can tap into those energies of high vibration, okay. High vibration is the policy to, I was trying to make that rhyme. High vibration is the policy to rejuvenation. If you could find another way of how that could rhyme, put it in the comments down below. Okay, that was a flop. That was a flop. Okay. Okay, as we explore in our little tarot school sessions at Gwan Tarot Tea, as we go through the cards, but clarity, transparency, seeing things differently. Okay, it's like all that is like breaking free from anything that was causing any like confusion, sitting and being comfortable with that. Okay, in this position, it's confusion. It's confusion. No direction. Don't know where to go. Is lost in the source. Can we have lost in the source in the comments? Lost in the source. You're just lost in the source. This is where it's like you need to take a time, take a breather, connect with oneself, reason. Okay, this seems to be the ongoing theme. Like, don't be hasty. Just take your time. Sit down, reason with yourself, work on that self-awareness, okay, connect with your intuition, connect with your discernment, and let that guide you. But don't get caught up in any hasty decisions, especially when you're not feeling great, because that can lead to making some silly moves, with the Seven of Swords being here. Okay, and perhaps this is what has happened. There has been some silly moves. Okay, it feels like there could be some messages of poor decision making now, doing things behind in secret. Okay, But that yellow, that abundance of yellow is saying that what may have been done in the dark will come to light. Have you heard that saying before? Okay. What may have been done in the dark may come to light. That's what we have here, the Two of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles is about making a choice, making a decision, getting clarity. There could be also saying that there might be a time, the situation might be time bound, where you've got to make a choice, you've got to make a decision. If you see that red, and if you see that's the orange here, the red connecting with the root chakra, the orange connecting with the sacral chakra, the energy of like sexual reproduction, energy, growth, movement, travel, creativity, okay? The root chakra, okay? Located in the lower spine area, okay? Just behind the back, okay? I think it's the coccyx, okay? That area, you could say the coccyx, the hip area. This represents the energy of our upbringing, okay? What we understand is right and wrong, everything that even goes to our intentions and why we do things, okay? This is now like this person is really having to connect deep, look deep within. It feels like even like them wanting to come towards you is them realizing this could be a missed opportunity if I'm not careful. So I need to move and operate in a way that when you see me or when I come towards you, that I'm coming towards you in a real manner. There could be some regrets on how they've dealt with things in the past. Maybe for some of you, take it where it resonates. There could have been some cheating or some kind of like not acting like as if they are interested going on, regretting how they dealt with you. Could be even like may have made you not giving you like that clarity to say, right, yeah, this is what I want, and let's put this to work. Let's and the ships are representing that energy. Is like, look, I'm not going to be here forever. So you got to get with the program. You got to get with the program, bro. Okay, this came up in pile 2. You got to get up with the program, sis. You got to get with the program. And it feels like this person knows, like, you can go. Because if you see what's going on here, we have those green shoes. The green could also be representing the heart chakra, okay? And them having to make a choice about what drives them, where their passion lies, okay? Because there could be a missed opportunity here, and you don't want to blow this, okay? What's coming through? If anyone watches RuPaul, when RuPaul gives the 2 contestants that got the least points from the judges the chance to sing for their life, okay? And what RuPaul says, whatever you do, don't F it up. Whatever you do, don't F it up. Meaning this person, keep it clean and classy. Don't mess this up. This person knows that whatever they do, they have to make sure that it's legit. They have to come in a position that where they're ready. We have the 4 of Wands here. So the 4 of Wands is telling us that this person does want. They do want this. They do want to be in alignment with growth, with ascension, with a long-term relationship, commitment. The 2 of you like seeing things eye to eye with this 11-11 energy in the 4 of Wands energy. This also came up, the 4 of Wands energy came up in pile 1. So do have a look at pile 1 if you was drawn to pile 1, or perhaps you are here now as you was drawn to pile 3. There is this energy here of, let's get through this, let's take our time, let's work on ourselves. Perhaps this person may have been like working on therapy, looking into their inner child, doing some inner child healing, helping them to get over there's an energy of like procrastination, there's an energy of like when it comes to making decisions, there could have been some hesitation. Again, it could be down to fear, that procrastination. Perhaps it could even feel it could have been due to like, oh, trying to keep my options open, to the point that by trying to keep their options open as possible, essentially they were missing out on opportunities. Okay, again, realizing like, if you've met somebody good, how long are you going to wait? How long are you going to wait? Are you going to let this opportunity just leave yourself? You're going to just let it leave yourself? Just mean it. You're going to just let it just run out your life? Let it just go like that? Okay? So this person knows, look, I have to be transparent. I can't keep trying to play my cards close to my chest. That's not going to help me in any way. And if you see what's going on here, the Knight of Wands being here, it's kind of telling us like, yeah, this person knows that I'm not operating in the way that's going to make you think that I am genuine. It's kind of giving like player from the Himalayas with the Knight of Wands in this reverse. So the message here is really saying, really trust your intuition, use your discernment, let it guide you. Because we have the Judgment card trying to pop through as well. Like, perhaps this person as well that has come through, they may have been very good at saying the things, but when it comes to doing it, this is where the judgment lies. Taking that action, taking that leap of faith to come forward. Get real, get with the program. Get with the program. What time are you on? What time are you on? Are you on, let's see where it goes, And this is for me where the see where it goes, to me, is about intention. Because see where it goes, if anyone has like, had that experience or that kind of chat before, see where it goes. Where can that go? Where are you leading? Where are you leading to, my brother? Where are you leading to, my sister? Where are you leading? Where are you leading? See where it goes where? See where it goes where? Here, there, everywhere? Again, missed opportunities. What's coming through is, there's a song, Tell Them Don't Waste My Time. There's a song called, I don't know, if anyone knows it, you might not know it's like a UK song, but it's like, tell them don't waste my time. 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 Yes, don't tell them don't waste my time. This is why the judgment is here. You might miss me. But miss me with the BS. Again, it's a blunt AF. Miss me with the BS, because if you are not on that time, if you are not on that intention, if you are not on that high vibration, if you are not on that alignment, then you can stay with that miss me. You can stay with that miss me. Okay? That's what's really coming through. You can stay with that miss me. And again, just trust your intuition here, because what's coming through is that there's an energy of like someone missing, someone yearning, someone wanting, but there's this kind of like, maybe like talk about the potential, but we see this, the Seven of Swords has popped up a couple of times, which is saying, you know what, maybe this person does chat a lot of things to get you hooked, to get you, what's coming through is to get you hooked, to get you wet, to get you moist, to get you like ready, like, ooh yeah, yeah. Because look what we have here, the Star in the reverse. And the Star is kind of, especially the Star being in that reverse, is saying, you know what, move with caution here, because this person may talk about a lot of things, but watch their actions. Are they consistent? Okay, are they disciplined in their movement towards you? Okay, are they saying a lot of things? Because we're not seeing any cups, apart from the Nine of Cups being here, which is in this position when it came out, okay, with the Ace of Swords, which is saying that there is a disconnect with their thoughts and feelings, okay, especially when it comes to the matters of the heart, okay. And being comfortable with expressing themselves. I'm going to pull here again. Yes, look at that. We have the High Priestess being here. So we have two major arcanas now. We have the Judgment card showing itself. Oh, sorry, we have three. We have the Judgment, we have the Star showing itself, and we have the High Priestess. Okay, which is essentially telling us what's behind it. The King of Pentacles. Now, this person may be good with money. This person, they may have money, or perhaps they may be good at making it, but perhaps they may be reckless with it because it's in the reverse position. They may be reckless with it, or perhaps they may use money to try and, what we say, style you. They may use the money to try style you. And what we simply mean by that is just a Jamaican way of saying that they may use them. They may use their what they have to say, look what I've got. Look what I've got. I've got, all this stuff going on to lure you in, to attract you, to groom you in. But be mindful, because we have the High Priestess being here and the Judgment and the Star in the reverse, which is saying this person may not have changed. This person may have more shiny things to attract you, and this could be trying while they're trying to fool you, because it's falling on 3. 3 represents the energy of growth. It represents the energy of expansion. It's the energy of development. Now, sometimes it shows itself up in the reads. Now, what it's showing itself up in the reads, but in the opposite direction. It's trying to present itself as a serious offer, as if there has been change, as if there has been some new things going on. Okay, perhaps you may have not seen this person for a while, or they may want to present themselves as a new offer to you. But what's coming through is go with caution. Okay, trust your intuition. Let your intuition and your discernment guide you, and trust and believe. Trust and believe. If it don't feel right in your mind, your body, your spirit, just the way your energy feels about how things are, what they say, and how it's like, right, what they say is not added. Trust and believe it. Trust and believe it. Now, what we see here, there could be any signs here. This person could be any sign, but they could be also operating with this energy of the High Priestess being here, like very secretive in how they maneuver, how they do things. Okay, so just trust your intuition, and let that guide you. Okay. So we're gonna pull out the Jamaican proverb now and see what wants to come through for the collective message for pile 3. Yes, look at that. The devil message came through again. So really trust your intuition. If you get your hand stuck in a devil mount, take it out. If you get your hand in a devil mount, in the devil's mount, take it out. So in the Jamaican style, if you get your hand in a devil mode, take it out. If you get your hand in a devil mode, take it out. Don't keep that hand in there, because you know what you see. Look what's that. Look at the swords as well in this position. Look what's behind it. Look what's behind it. Look what's behind the tower, and it's in the reverse as well, which is saying be careful, because they may try to present themselves as a new offer. Okay, again, maybe this person is quite handsome with this naked body going on here. They may look really fit. They may present themselves very sexually attractive, but the message is saying be mindful, be, with this person, because we have the Ace of Swords in the reverse, and we have the Tower in the reverse, which is telling us, you know what, they may try to keep you in cycles. Again, it's all about trying to present themselves, package themselves as a good offer. We're taking it into tarot school here with the 6 of Wands. 6 of Wands represents the energy of like success, victory. Okay, parading down the community. Think of like the Super Bowl or the football, Olympics, when they've won an award, and they will go back to their local communities parading. This what this person might do. Perhaps you may have known this person in your area, or they may work in a type of field where they have maybe been in the new media, the press, or been rewarded for something that they do. However, what's telling us in their love life, their love energy, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. We can see a lot of kind of game playing vibes. The Ace of Swords being in this position, okay? The Tower being in that position, okay? The High Priestess popping up saying, you know who this person is. You know who this person is. The Judgment card being there, okay? The Star saying, yeah, this person is on game time. Okay, we have the Eight of Pentacles in the reverse, which is the Eight of Pentacles is it's a doing action, it's a doing energy, working on things. Look what it's in this position. They could be just focusing on their money, focusing on getting things what they want, okay, and again to appear like they've got things together, but it nagoso, okay, it nagoso. It nagoso simply means nagoso. It nagoso simply means that is not the truth. That is not how it goes. That is not how they want it to appear. It nagoso, meaning they are presenting something else, but trying to give you this appearance like they've got things together, but there's still this energy of a low vibration coming through. So really trust your intuition, okay? But what's coming through is that this person may be very good at perhaps this person might work in sales, marketing, take it where it resonates, but this person is very good at presenting an offer, presenting the potential, presenting a visual or imagery or desire. But behind that desire, look what's going on. Look what's going on, collective. The Two of Wands in the reverse position. This person is showing that, look, that, there's an energy of, I'm only going to move somewhere if I can get what I want. If I can get what I want. And if we see what's going on, trying to present, yes, you know what, I want like a serious connection, the two of us working together, but then look what's going on here. It's showing up in this way. It's showing up this way. This is kind of giving the energy of like, I'll come though if there's some kind of sexual energy going on between us. If I can get some, some of that good. If I can get some of that good, I'm there. I'm there. But I'll tell you what I need. I'll tell you what I need to say to get it. I'll tell you. Now this is kind of saying, this is giving, who this person is. Be careful. Look at this. Be careful. Be cautious in getting out of difficult situations. Seek help where you can. Okay? And if you're out of this, don't put yourself back in. All right. We have self-praise is no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. So don't always be too quick to be boastful. Let others praise you. This goes back to the card that we saw with the Six of Cups. The Six of Cups. The Six of Cups energy. I can't find it now, but the Six of Cups. This energy of like boasting. They've won that, like, let's say it represents the energy of a victory, but it's like someone's wanted to come forward and tell you of all the good things that they've achieved. It could be even with this Four of Wands wanting to say, yeah, I've done this, I've achieved that, but again, it nagosa. Look at this, the Hermit. They haven't learned anything. It's in the reverse. They haven't learned anything. What's coming through is the energy of trying to, the word fake deep. They're trying to act like, yeah, I've learned, I've picked up sense, and you know, I've been working on myself. Yeah, I've done the work. Done what? What have you done? What have you done? You ain't done. You ain't done anything. You've just look what's the dead giveaway. Okay, this is how we like to use the visual clues from the cards to also help us to, you know, build up this picture up as part of us being at tarot school at Gwan Tarot. Six of Swords. Six of Swords represents some moving away from something. So if you've learnt something with the Hermit being here, another major arcana, which is like going inwards, the energy of enlightenment and of enlightenment, awakening, looking into one's ways, taking on that development of self-awareness. Where's the self-awareness if you've got the Six of Swords right behind it? Six of Swords right behind it. That means you're not doing anything. You're just saying what you need to say. What's coming through is you're talking out of your backside. You're talking out of your backside, okay, to get what you want. And that perhaps this may have been this person's way of doing things for a long while, and they may have got away with it in the past, maybe with other people. But the message here, collective, if you're seeing this, okay, trust your intuition, let that guide you, because this person is still on playing time. They're still on playing time. They may be on playing time, but not on your time. Awo, asoitgo, awo. Just meaning, okay. Awo. So I'm going to just pull out, before we look at these, because I feel drawn to have a look at this card. Let's have one. We have, look at this. The universe is fighting for our souls to be together. Now, this could also be telling us maybe this person might have a way of putting words together. They may be into like poetry. They may like take things from like the internet and send it to you, like random messages to try and lure you in. Just really trust your intuition, collective, okay? So let's have a look at these messages from the love box. I think you are so hot. I think you are so hot. I don't want our money problems to destroy the relationship. I haven't been feeling myself as I'm so invested in our relationship that I have lost myself in the process. My intuition is telling me that there again with the High Priestess, is telling me we need to talk about the elephant in the room. We need to talk about the elephant in the room. We need to talk about the things that we're not really addressing. There's a lot of surface level going on here. Let's get to the deep. Let's get to the nooks and crannies of the situation. You are in my dreams. Be patient with me. Be patient with me. I come with children. Are you okay with that? Are you okay with that? I'm not the same person you left. I'm not the same person you left. I can't help but feel jealous of the fact that you are spending more time with your friends than me. This feels like it's also bringing out a lot of personal, okay? Almost like a personal reading. Just take what resonates and leave the rest. I don't want to break up, but can we recover from this? I don't want to break up, but can we recover from this? I'm ready to settle down. I am ready to settle down. But you see, there's a lot of contradictions. And we saw that contradiction as well with the Four of Wands presenting itself. This energy of wanting to settle down. This energy of wanting to, you know, connect and be in a deep, loving relationship. Okay, long term. But we see that there's this energy of mix match going on, and we see the mix match as well in the other cards. I'm not ignoring you. I got a lot on my mind. So I'm not ignoring you. I've just got a lot on my mind. I haven't, look at this. Oy, 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 oy. I haven't healed from my previous relationship, and I know the cracks are starting to show. So I haven't healed from my previous relationship, and I know the cracks are starting to show. So it's giving this energy of like avoiding. Again, we saw the hermit. The hermit represents someone taking that time to go and look within. But behind it, what was behind it? The Six of Swords, which is the opposite energy of looking within. It's running away from looking within. So there is a contradiction here. And the Seven of Swords could also be trying to tell us that this person is not what they like to present them as, present themselves as to you. So really let your intuition and discernment guide you. But what this person may try to do to lure you in is show all the shiny things that they may have, their sexual attraction towards you. So really trust yourself to, trust your intuition and use your discernment. Okay, so we're going to take a sip. Take a nice sip. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share and comment down below. Let us know what you're sipping on. If you care to share what's going on in your situation, put it in the comments down below. Okay? Love to hear from you all. And you can put in the comments down below, where you are from in the world. Or you can put trust and believe. Okay? And also, if you look on the community post, there is a little option where you can vote for the next type of videos that you would like to see on the channel. Okay, we love the Blunt AF series, but we love to continue working on our other series, like Who's Thinking About You and Why, Who Has a Crush on You, and so much more. So much love and blessings to you all. So thank you in abundance. So cheers to those intuitive gems coming through. Let's take a sip, baby. Okay, so let's have a look now at some messages that want to come through. We'll use the Blunt AF, and let's see what wants to come through with the Blunt AF before we come to a close. And look at some initials as well of this person, any names, any memories for Pile 3. Reveal the messages for Pile 3 that you need to see. Reveal those messages for Pile 3 that you need to see about this person. This person for Pile 3. Alright, last shuffle. Look at that. Do you see that? Last shuffle. And it just... We're going to take this bit as well. Okay. Here's another tip. If you're shuffling or you got some cards for yourself, just say last shuffle and see the wonders that comes out. It's like, alright. Oh, now they're gonna, we can only get as much cards as we can. So just last shuffle. I would love to sit down and talk over food and break the ice between us. Again, fancy things, shiny things, but look beyond the shiny things. This person may like to wine and dine. Just observe, use your discernment, trust your intuition. You are my type. I've never met anyone like you before. They may be very good with the knowing what to say and getting you feeling nice and sweet. Okay, I have a child, children. How do you feel about this? You are still on my mind. When I'm alone, I try to act out what I would say to you and gain your interest. I sit back and reflect on the things you said and realize you saw things in me that I didn't see. I see now. Maybe they are going through a period of reflection, but it feels like they go in and out and then go back to bad habits. We need to talk about this. I'm not sure if the feeling is mutual. So it's giving very manipulative vibes. So really just trust your intuition here, yeah? Could we try again? What do you think of a white picket fence? I picture starting a family with you. I was in a rebound connection, but all I saw was you. I can't help but be drawn to you. I daydream about us. I know I'm confusing right now. Do you see this? I know I'm confusing right now. I'm conflicted about us. I'm conflicted. I look at your number, meaning to call. We saw the Two of Wands earlier, which is giving that Two of Wands energy. Okay? Let's see if we can find it. Yes, here it is. I look at, and behind it is the Ten of Swords. The Ten of Swords energy. And the Queen of Cups, which could be you as the Queen of Cups. Okay? So, Two of Cups, Two of Wands. Okay? Although the Two of Cups is not by accident either. Could be, again, what they're trying to present. But the Two of Wands is in this position, which is saying, I look at your number, meaning to call, but I'm scared to make the initial move. So there could be this energy of being scared, but there's also this energy of like saying what they need to say, hoping that maybe it may result to some kind of, because we see a lot of strong sexual energy. Okay, so they could be operating in that energy. Okay, so really trust your intuition. Okay. I want you now when you stop showing me. Look at this. I want you now when you stop showing me interest. Run and chase, vice versa. Game playing. And I just heard a motorbike as well. This energy of like wanting to come towards you, running towards you, chase you. Okay. My phone is filled with unsent texts meant for you. So my phone is filled with unsent texts meant for you. The silence is a lot for me. The silence is a lot for me. I wish I could hold you right now. I wish I could hold you right now. I'm open, ready, and steady for love. I am emotionally available. I am emotionally available. What do you think? What's your intuition telling you? What is your discernment guiding you? Where is it guiding you? Our differences are wild, but I hope we can get through them. I hope we can get through them. I please myself when I'm alone, thinking of you and calling your name. Calling your name. Trust your intuition, collective. Trust your intuition. And we didn't even get to the last bit. Here's a few of the messages that came out, okay, earlier for you. We have the Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles, okay, this could be how they see you, okay, or the Queen of Diamonds in the playing cards, how they could see you. They could see you as somebody who's got themselves together. They may see you as somebody that they see as an ideal partner, someone whose decisiveness, firmness, grounded, resolute, stable, stability, strength. They're attracted to all those qualities because they know those qualities will be successful in a long-term relationship. This is their desires, okay? Could be also they want a partner who possesses these qualities. However, from what we've seen so far, what is it telling you? What is it telling you? Are they displaying the same type of qualities too? Or could they be trying to lean on someone that has these qualities? But what we saw with the king, they showed up as the King of Pentacles in the reverse, which is showing that someone who may not have good decision making, may be very poor with money, may use money as a way to steer, to lure, okay? But really trust your intuition, okay? I love you to the moon and back 1,000,000 times. I wish we could be together forever. You light up my world. You light up my world. I remember the day we met like it was yesterday. So there could be something significant about the day you met. And perhaps they maybe when you talk to this person, or if there has been any contact lately, or let's say limited contact, they may try to go back to the last day, or the day that you met them, because again, it's trying to see if there's any what's coming through. And that's what it's saying. Really trust your intuition. When we see it, collective, we have to say it how it is. What this person is trying to do, it's like they're trying to hold on to any hook. Think of like a fish. You're trying to get the hook. You're trying to get the fish out of the water. Anything that will try and hook you back in, whether it's that to wine and dine you, romance you, say sweet nothings in your ear, say things that will make you like, whew, this, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Oh, I did it. Oh shoot, why did I go back there? Why did I? Now this, what's coming through, this person may have the good. They may have the good hey, if we keep it clean and classy, but they may have the good okay? They have the good things down there, and they may use that to lure you. They may be very attractive. They may be a good kisser. They may know how to hold you, okay? They may know how to touch you, okay? Hold your hand, caress you, all them kind of things. They may know how to, even this person may have a lot of gravity in their voice that, makes you feel, oh my gosh. They may know how to do that, but again, it's trying to present themselves as this offer desirable. But with this energy in this is giving codependency. This is kind of giving a low vibration energy. This is kind of giving, I'm going to lean on you because you possess the qualities I want, but I haven't taken the time or the effort to go and do it for myself. You hear that? That codependency energy coming in. So trust your intuition and let it guide you. Let it guide you. So we're going to leave it here and leave you some initials about this person's name, place, a thing, a memory. Okay, it could be something to do with the last day, the first day you met them. Okay, what's even coming through is like even a watch they may have. Just take it where it resonates. Okay, for Pile 3, messages for Pile 3, Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings. Blunt AF, and what we've seen so far is there's feelings. There are feelings for you. Don't get that twisted, collective. They have feelings for you, but the feelings what we've seen is feelings of, I do this, and so I can get things. So I can get things. I'm going to play with Jane's head top. Okay, I'm going to play with Jane's head top, meaning I'm just going to play with Jane's, mind, say what I need to say, and, just, give her the world, or, appear to give her the world, or appear to give him or who the world, and then, right, that's it. Then they may come back again another couple of months or so. That's what's coming through, collective. I'm not feeling the energy. I'm not feeling this vibe. So please trust your intuition. Let that guide you. Trust and believe. Trust and believe. Trust and believe. Okay? So look what we have here. Got quite a full circle this time. Okay? Of different initials. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Take what I'm paying close attention is that those two A's, if you can see, one's upright, one's down, may try to mirror themselves as an ideal partner, ideal person, but just be mindful. Just be mindful. Something don't feel right. Trust and believe it. Look again, TT. It does feel like this person may use a lot of nostalgia, a lot of past memories, you know, to try and look at that again. Those M, and it could be another M or a W, okay? Just take it where it resonates and leave the rest. And that M and N, O and O, look at that O and O. Can you see that? Take it where it resonates and leave the rest. If you notice any more, please put it in the comments down below. We have Kaz. Okay, so big up yourselves, collective. Now, for this one, I'm going to see if there's a new love interest for you. Just quickly have a look if there's a new love interest. Okay, let's see. We're going to use the new... what do they tell others? What do they tell others card? Is there a new love interest for Power 3? Someone else, someone different from this person that has come through. A new love interest? Yes, there is. For some of you, we have her sense of humour is one of my favourite things about her. Her sense of humour is one of my favourite things about her. And I feel like I can talk to her about anything and everything. Ooh la la. So, take the messages where it resonates. Leave the rest. We're going to leave you with one more. Just a healing message. Okay, healing message regarding this read, please. For Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings. So we can end you with a healing message. We have anger. There's a message of anger. Use your anger in a creative and positive way that allows you to maintain your dignity whilst producing a far more satisfying outcome. So this could be working on yourself, you know, channeling your anger into, right, I'm going to use it to work on a project, do something new, okay? Sometimes these situations, even what we saw in this read, can make us frustrated and like, you know, angry and things like that. It's like, how do we now channel that anger into positivity, letting that go? Because anger, undealt anger, can then lead to so much issues within our body. We can internalize that anger, and then that turns into stress, that turns into chronic health issues with our body. Let go of that. Let go. Release it. It's not serving you. It's not aligned with you. Any more for the collective for Power 3? Yes, we have 2 more. Look at this frustration. Restart from the very beginning and scrap anything already tried. The answer to moving beyond this irritation will only be found in exploring new ideas. So again, exploring the new. And delay. Not everything has to happen now. Taking time to consider the outcome can be beneficial. However, delaying won't fix anything, as nothing will change. So this could be, you know, a message here. Delaying anything, I hope you can see that. Delaying anything. However, delaying won't fix anything, as nothing will change. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. But we're going to leave it here. But big up yourselves every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Much love and blessings. It's greatly appreciated for you being all here. We love you all. And prioritize your self-love, your well-being. Okay, let that always be at the center of everything you do in life. Big up yourselves. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Asoitga. Asoitga simply means this is how it goes in Jamaican patois. This is how it goes. We just take what resonates and leave the rest for others. But big up yourselves and we'll see you on our next read. Do have a look at all of our timeless reads available at Wa, Gwan, Tarot, and Tea. Big up yourselves, and Wa, Gwan.